how to cook a chicken on the Pit Boss Pro Series 850. All right, guys, I'm gonna explain how to make a chicken on the Pit Boss. First, you want to turn this thing on, hit it to 300, and let's do 350 today. Okay, and you got this Pit Boss right here. Go ahead and keep this flame open. We're gonna put our chicken right here on the left side. I like the left side, it's a little hotter than the right. Put it on the left side, and we're gonna cook it for about 3 hours. It's a pretty small chicken. It's marinated already. And we have our little prong over here. It'll tell us when it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and check. There's the internal temp. So once it reaches 165, we're done. So let's get this thing on here. So we just put the chicken on there, starting to smoke up. And we're gonna check on this about every 30 minutes to an hour. Once it's closer, we'll check about every 15-20 minutes or so. But yeah, if you have the Smoke It app, you can check too. But I just like to come out and check myself. I'll probably flip it about an hour and a half. But yeah, let's let this thing do its thing. We got this thing open for now. Let this thing start cooking. And I use my special rub on this, just my own seasoning. A lot of Cajun pepper, a lot of black pepper, tahini. As you can see, it's really red. All right, guys, I'm gonna check on this chicken right now. What I wanna do is put the probe on there and see what temperature it's at. It's only been about 30 minutes. Get my probe, stick this baby right here. Right about there, right where the breast is. Right now it's backwards, but I'll flip it in a bit. So it's reading 145, 140, 133. Got a long way to go. Give it a little flip, and I'll close this thing a little bit so it doesn't get too burnt on this side. You can char it up at the end. All right, let it do its thing. Let's close it up, but first, push this guy a little bit in. Right about there is good. And it's chilling about 130. That's the actual temperature of it. All right, guys, we're gonna give this thing a check. It's gonna look good up in here. And internal temp is 169. I'm gonna hit about 175 just to make sure this thing's done. I'm gonna let it cook a little more. So we're at 173. It's 174. It's time to pull this baby. Take a look. Oh man. Look at that guy. Woohoo! As you know, we got to do a taste test. Oh yeah. A bomb. So I ended up leaving the chicken with the legs spread out. Aye. So I left it another 20 minutes at a lower temp, like 250, just to get some extra bark.